Saturday.
You still work at Air Hostel? Your sister still work at House Pretzels?
She quit.
Why?
She's pregnant.
How old is she? Oh my lord.
Just kidding, she's 19 now.
Okay, that's so much better.
Well, she just turned 19.
She's not married though. She have a boyfriend.
They live together.
I don't know. You playing Robot Unicorn Attack?
No, I'm doing Fat Booth. Look at that picture.
Oh my god, did you guys hear about that crash on 65 today?
I was legitly, that was actually like right by me.
Merce, did you hear about that? Man, give me some attention.
No, because you're going to take a picture.
No, I'm not. Okay, look up Blaine is. Look, I'll be over here. Hey.
He just said he's doing
I just said I'm doing Fat. Obviously, I'm doing
Okay, Marissa,
Fat.
talk to you like this then. Did you hear about that crash on 65?
No.
Oh my god. It's gonna be on the news. No, there was a semi-truck and they were bringing like, what was it, like an aquarium?
Oh my gosh, what the heck?
No, they were bringing like, oh my god. They were bringing like octopuses and random crap like in like an aquarium thing to the museum. Or zoo.
And they got in a crash.
And no, it got in a crash, and the semi tipped over, and the aquarium broke, and like all the animals died.
You're lying.
No.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not even. No, Marissa. And then, I'm not even.
And then there was octopuses on the road.
There's not. No. Okay, Marissa. Listen. I swear to God.
I'm sure. Can I have my pencil
And
back?
the octopus like jumped onto it. Why don't you?
Why would I believe that? That's the craziest story.
Well, it's on the news, I promise.
Okay.
And an octopus. No. An octopus latched onto a car. I'm not kidding. It'll be on the news. It latched onto a car and it like broke in the windshield and strangled the person. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even. You think I'm kidding when I'm not? You think? Hey,
Obviously,
Marissa. Marissa.